Bozy. Hey, Bozy. Bozy boy. Well, boys, here it is. In the Mustang reveal video, we said that the ZX6 was down, and what I meant by that was this. Yeah, that is not supposed to be a thing. But, as you can see, right there, yeah, that's not good. A little bunny hop came down a little too hard and it broke it on the top side. But you can see the top side's still in there. Maybe y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But yeah, the top side's still in there. And then the other day, I was riding and it finished itself off. So, yeah! We gotta get this thing stripped down, taken apart. We have our new fairings finally getting painted tomorrow. That's been a long time coming, as you guys remember when I wrecked this thing 10 months ago. That I said I was gonna completely change it up and change the color and do all this crazy stuff, but I've been battling paint shops for 10 months now. It's been a long time coming, but the fairings are finally getting painted tomorrow. Gotta get the new fairing stay on. Gotta get our tank cover, because I'm keeping the orange just in case I ever buy some new OEM orange fairings, which I would like to, just to have them. And I've been riding this thing around looking all wrecked, going to all these big meets, it looking wrecked and scratched up. Not been super ideal, not been my favorite thing to do. I hate seeing my stuff like this, like the car stays clean. You know, the little Ranger, it's just what it is. Cosmetically, she's been looking a little rough, but it's time to fix that. We're gonna get this thing taken apart today. That way tomorrow all we gotta do is come back, put the new fairings on, and then I won't be able to put all the front fairings on, I guess, now that I think about it, because I'll have to get the new front stay. The only thing we'll have to wait on is the tank cover, because like I said, I'm definitely not gonna paint the tank. I want to keep it the OEM orange, just because this orange is such a rare color. And then we'll go ahead and get the orange rim tape off, and just do a deep clean, because I put my new chain and sprocket on. The chain that was on it was cooked. It was toast, but as you can see back up in here, from the old chain, all the grease and everything got off really bad back up in here. So I just want to clean all that stuff while we have the bike down to essentially nothing. We'll check in on everything behind all these fairings, make sure everything's good. I'll have to make sure all the wires and connectors and everything are good up here, because this has dropped a significant amount, and I don't know if it's like pulled down on any wires. We're gonna check while we're up in there. It was doing some weird stuff the other day whenever this finally did go. We're like, wouldn't let me turn, but I'm assuming maybe it was just because this was touching the fender at some point, but I don't know. We'll know here soon. We gotta get some new turn signals too, because this one's busted, as you can see, but I already got an idea for that. This thing it's been neglected. Honestly, I kind of gave up on it after wrecking it and then waiting so long for fairings, because I didn't want to roll it around like this. Yeah, so now we're gonna get everything taken apart. We'll get everything deep cleaned. And then we'll just have to wait on fairings. So this is going to be like a multiple episode little series here of us just rebuilding the ZX6. A long time coming. But with that being said, let's go ahead and start taking this thing apart. I'm just kidding. We're going to grab tools. I need to get something to separate some bolts with. I got it for now. We'll get there. Oh my god. Who put that one on? Oh, I see the problem. Y'all see how it just buckled really bad? Buckled because the whole front's pushing it down. It's okay, baby girl. Not much longer and you're gonna be nice again. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere and do a quick little time lapse. it is. All the old orange stuff is off, and now we got to go ahead and grab ourselves new upper fairing stay so we can get that replaced. Then we can put the whole front back on. You see, oh my god. Oh. Anyway, you can see where this thing just broke clean in half. So that's not good. But we'll get a new one of those. Our fairings will be here tomorrow. And then we gotta wait on a tank cover. Roughly about 2 weeks, this thing will be back together, I hope. We got the bike in the back of the truck. We're taking it to my dad's shop. My dad owns a detail shop, so we can get it cleaned up the right way there. That way whenever we get all the stuff to put it back together, it's not getting put back together and it's still being like just obnoxiously dirty with chain grease everywhere and stuff all over it. Still got a lot of work to do on this bike, but I'm excited, man. The bike gonna be done soon. Oh, the brakes, the brake! That red light came up fast. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really ready to get this bike just done, back together, and it just be new again. Just be new again. That's all I want. That's all I've wanted for the last 10 months, and we're finally gonna make it happen. So let's do it.
You gotta rinse it off. It's about maybe 30 seconds after you put it on. It's gonna streak up everything.
I did that up there yesterday because I didn't want to do all of it this weekend, so I did that.
What's your phone, dude? You doing this purposely?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got the bike back home, all cleaned up the way we wanted. The bike is literally spotless now, which is what I wanted before I put this thing back together. All we need now is for our parts to come in. We need the front stay, the tank cover, and our fairings to be done. And this thing will be ready to be put back together. Next video y'all see of this bike, it'll be being put back together. I don't know if I should do that though at the same time, because I want y'all to see what color I'm doing, but we'll make it work. If you guys want to see the final product and you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. That being said, that's it for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.